Are you finding it difficult to keep track of your client reservations and other aspects of your hotel? Whether you are looking for an easy-to-use solution or planning to have a custom-made hotel management software to make work easier, GraceSoft Inc. is your ideal destination. We're the leading hotel management service provider, helping businesses worldwide with Easy InnKeeping, the best quality resort, condo, motel, and hotel management software. Wonder how Easy InnKeeping can help your business. With 5 different modules like property management software, online reservations from your website, GDS and OTA interface module, sales and email marketing module, and point-of-sale software, it helps manage your processes on the whole. You can also assign different security levels for your staff, night audit, and reports for analyzing marketing and financial data. Use any computer, tablet, or mobile phone to access data anywhere easily with our top-notch web-based software. Our low-cost pricing includes support and online training services to help your management and staff make effective use of your hotel software to manage your guests, housekeeping, and reservations. Want to know more? Visit us online at www.gracesoft.com. For further inquiries, call us today at 1-888-781-1086. We'll be glad to hear from you.